Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vami Danu. On today's menu we are making green juice. So I've always disliked the idea of drinking green juice only because I hear people saying it's disgusting, it tastes terrible and whatnot. However, this green juice combo didn't taste bad at all, and I can guarantee that it will still get the work done. So for this green juice recipe, you'll need 2 cucumbers, 3 green apples. You will also need 2 lemons. You can choose to use the green lemons if that's what you have available, or you may also use lime. I have here some ginger as well. And for my choice of green leaf, I'll be using spinach. And that's just about all you need to make this immune boosting green juice recipe. So in the bowl, I'm going to add some salt, and then I'm going to go in with my spinach just to rinse it and kill any germs or bacteria. You can use vinegar as well instead of salt. So spinach is an extremely nutrient-rich vegetable which supports immune function and aids the digestive system. So give that a good rinse and then take it out and set aside for later. Next, I'm going to divide and peel my lemons, or take off the skin of the lemon. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. It offers lots of amazing health benefits, weight loss inclusive. So once we remove the skin of the lemon, we are going to set that aside for later. My next step is to cut my cucumber into manageable portions. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in many important vitamins and minerals. It promotes hydration, aids in weight loss, and may help lower blood sugar. Next, I'm going to divide my apples into manageable sizes as well. Apples are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants which support healthy digestion, brain health, and weight management. The apples are going to introduce an element of sweetness in our juice. Next, we have my ginger, which has been thoroughly washed, so I'm not going to take off the peels, but feel free to do so if that will make you feel comfortable. So for my juicing process, I'll be using a juicer, but you can as well use a blender if that's what you have. So on that note, let's get juicing. And that's it for today. This juice can last up to 7 days maximum in the refrigerator. Drink a glass of this immune boosting green juice a day and you'll not only be feeling light and refreshed, but your body will thank you as well. So we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe for more and don't forget to like as well. Bye.